Hey there, tech fans. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make your very own power bank. It's easy, fun, and cost-effective. Let's get started. Here are the materials you'll need: a rechargeable battery, a USB charging module, some wires, and a plastic casing. You'll also need a soldering iron, wire strippers, and some basic tools. First, let's prepare our battery. We'll need to solder some wires to the positive and negative terminals. Now, let's assemble our circuit. We'll connect the battery to the USB charging module and the DC power jack. Next, let's add our plastic casing. This will protect our circuit and make it look neat and tidy. Now, let's test our power bank. We'll plug it in and see if it's charging our device. And that's it. You now have your very own power bank. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials and tech-related content.